In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Bitcoin on PayPal. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. If you're new to PayPal, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just hit the Sign Up button where you can choose between creating a personal or a business account. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be set up in no time. Now, let's talk about why verifying your Bitcoin address on PayPal is worthwhile. This verification provides several advantages, especially if you're considering buying, selling, or making transactions in Bitcoin through PayPal. For instance, verified PayPal accounts often come with higher transaction limits compared to those that are unverified. This means that by verifying your account, you can transact with larger amounts of Bitcoin, giving you greater flexibility in buying, selling, or transferring funds. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, you might notice that there's no direct option labeled Verify Bitcoin. Even poking around the Transactions tab and other sections won't yield anything promising. Here's the trick. You'll need to navigate to something called the CIP section. CIP stands for Customer Identification Process. PayPal requires this verification to enable you to purchase cryptocurrency with your account. Essentially, once you have a verified CIP, PayPal might also prompt you to confirm your bank account or credit card, if necessary. Completing these steps will position you to purchase your first crypto. After familiarizing yourself with the CIP, the next action is to reach out to PayPal's customer support team. This can be a very helpful step if you hit any snags or have specific questions regarding the verification process. You have multiple contact options, but personally, I recommend opting to call them. By getting on the phone with a live agent, you can specifically request assistance in verifying your Bitcoin on PayPal. When you do, be prepared to talk about the one-time password you'll need. PayPal's customer support is generally accommodating and ready to assist you with any issues that could arise during this process. Should calling not suit you, there's always the option of using the message assistant. This is another avenue to get in touch with an actual agent who can address your questions or concerns about verifying Bitcoin on your PayPal account. No matter which method of support you choose, these resources should ease the process of verifying Bitcoin through PayPal. With a bit of patience and communication with the support team, you'll be on your way to seamlessly managing Bitcoin on your PayPal account. So, follow these steps carefully, and you'll find that verifying Bitcoin on PayPal isn't as daunting as it might appear at first glance.